Hi friend, I'm Myra with Vial Designs, and if the smell of fresh notebook paper and brand new markers makes you unreasonably happy, we need to be friends. Today, we're taking all the cozy back to school nostalgia and turning into the cutest journal spread ever. Let's dive in. I love sketching everything in pencil first, then I go over with a kneaded eraser. This helps me erase most of it prior to the inking part, which helps at the end so I don't have to erase as much. We're starting with the title first because that just helps get going with the blank page. I'm doing Faux calligraphy. If you want to learn more about this type of lettering, I have a step-by-step video tutorial to help you do just that. Links to everything will be in the description to help you find everything I mentioned here in the video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. I'm starting with the inking part of the process because I already made a video where I take you step by step and give you a peek inside my brain as to how I come up with these doodle pages, and I also do the sketching part in pencil. You know, whenever this time of the year rolls around, it takes me right back to growing up, and back to school season was my absolute favorite because it meant one thing: school shopping. Picking out fresh notebooks with fun covers, brand new markers, pens of every color. My dad made the whole thing an absolute event for us. And looking back, I realized that he accidentally created a stationery monster because the obsession is still going strong today. And I think that's why I love these doodles so much, because it's just a physical representation of all the cuteness and beautiful things that you can get with stationery. And if you're watching this video, I'm pretty sure you love stationery as much as I do, and that's why you want to learn how to do these adorable back to school doodles. If you do, and maybe you need a little bit more help with them, I turned this page into a printable because I seriously love how these guys turned out. So if you want to get a traceable page to make it easier to follow along, or maybe you want to skip the tracing part in color, I have that as well inside my Patreon. I will add the link down below so you can grab it, print it, add it to your journal, color, or just, have fun or use it as a guide so that you can make these doodles inside your journal. If you haven't checked out my Patreon yet, it's basically a cozy little creative hangout. As a member, you get access to a whole vault of journal and doodle printables, doodle guides, calligraphy and lettering worksheets, and all of it comes with a library of free video tutorials and plenty of inspiration to keep your creative momentum going every month. If you're enjoying these doodles as much as I am, be sure to comment and let me know which one was your favorite doodle so far. They're all so cute. It is hard for me to decide, but I think I'm gonna go with the backpack. Let me know which one is your favorite, and if you're going to go ahead and start doodling these stationery super cute doodles inside your journal. By the way, if you're still curious about how I actually brainstormed the layouts for my journal doodle pages from scratch, I put together a whole behind the scenes with adorable summer doodles where I show you my exact process to come up with these doodle pages. I'll link it here for you so you can check it out, and I will see you there.